Hey there guys, today we got this Hyundai here, 2019 model. Something you could do yourself, change your engine filter. And we have this PTC, there's a part number right there, if you guys want to get it. Let's get this job going. It should take you no more than 3 minutes. And if you mess up, I'll give you 3.5 minutes. But it's probably take you less than that. You probably could beat my time. It's going to be very simple. Something like this, you should change every about 15,000 miles. So that's like 3 oil changes or 4 oil changes. And replace your filter. This thing is only like $12, $13, no more than that. And I'm going to show you how to do it. This box right here is called the air filter housing. This is a duct pipe, DUC. There's a clamp here. It's very simple. One. And there's a clamp over here. You push it back. 2. So this is just a clamp here and a clamp there. This thing has 2 little ear notches right there. 1 and 2. They just simply come out of there from both sides, just like that. And once you lift this up, you can just rest it right there on the battery, and you take out the filter. Filter wasn't so dirty, but it's gotta go. Inside it's clogged up. And you also want to check in there. This one looks clean. If you have leaves, dirt, and debris, clean it, vacuum it. But that's not the case with us. We're gonna simply take out our new filter. All right, this is only one way. Okay, you cannot go wrong with this filter. This way, just not like that. You see that? Not like that. The same way we took off. You take this, make sure it's sitting good everywhere. And these little notches right here on both sides, that's why it's interchangeable. And you can put it this way or that way, just not this way or upside down. After that, you take your little housing right here, the square box, you put this ear notch inside, and same thing on this side. And once you have both sides in, you push this down, and your clip here, retainer, has one in, so pull it out. So make sure this is out. After that, I'm doing this with one hand. Pull on the clamp. Pull on the clamp. Bada bing, bada boom. Make sure it's solid. Make sure your ear notch is in. Make sure your ear notch is in. You're done. You don't touch this for next 15, 20,000 miles. Dispose the old one. And thank you for watching. Something like this, dealer will charge you about like 40, 50 bucks. And you can do it yourself. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. We'll see you in the next one.